install the output flange a little ways. We're about to finish installing it the rest of the way. Here's the lathe ring. This is going to go into here, because as the gear is running, oil's going to slide through your flange right here and it's going to cause a leak. So you put your little lathe ring in there. My little trick to get it done that I was taught, you start in one little area, you get it in, and what I like to do is I like to put it up against the back wall of the flange right here and just work it in slowly, and then you pick another spot. What you want to do is go in a triangle. You do 3 spots. Start here, then you flop around, go to the other side, and you restart over here. You just work it around easy. There's sometimes a hassle to put them in, but it's just one of those patience is key things. You can't start in one area and go around and do it.